there is deep inside us 4 incredible human qualities, which is absolutely necessary for our life. These qualities are peace, expansiveness, power, and fearlessness, or we also sometimes refer as wrathful. So 4 qualities. If you look at most of the Tibetan iconographies, they are peaceful deities, expansive, increasing deities, and powerful deities, and they are wrathful deities. They are representing that. So that these 4 qualities are so much within us. Because of all the karmic conditions, stress, emotions that we have so much in our everyday life, we begin to lose these qualities. We begin to lose this inner peace. We begin to lose this inner creativity. We begin to lose that inner confidence and strength. We begin to lose that inner fearlessness. We begin to lose these qualities. So, in some sense, these practices is to enhance, to reconnect with these qualities. So, these 4 steps of practice is really the purpose is that. So, the first part of practice is to bring the awareness into the central channel, which is very much linked with connecting with that inner peace. So, second one is the practice of increasing clarity, which is very much what we call expansion, like creativity, expansiveness. So that quality, trying to find that quality within oneself. Third part of the practice is what we call strengthening presence, which is basically a presence is very much a power. So it's the power of the presence, the power of strengthening the presence. So which is very much connecting within oneself. And then the fourth one, which is what we call fearlessness, and sometimes in Tibetan we call wrathful. So you see the wrathful deity, they are not to scare other people, but they are not to be fearful of from others. So it's like trying to connect with that fearlessness is the fourth one. So that is really the purpose of these 4 practices. Now, you can think about how we actually how we actually can realize this 4 profound qualities within us. There's 4 doors, or in this case 4 chakras: throat chakra, crown chakra, heart chakra, secret chakra in the sexual organ. So these 4 doors, 4 chakras, and deep inside these chakras, there is underlying these 4 qualities. So in some sense, the dream journey is to enter into these doors, connect with these qualities, and bring out into our life these qualities out. So that is the goal. So how you do that? Like any door, you need a key to open the door. So what kind of key you need? You don't need a metal key. It's not digital numbers. Here it's very simple. It's the energy and awareness. Energy of the location of the chakras, then awareness of those qualities. So when you draw attention to a throat chakra with the specific images, that's how you open that door. When you draw attention to the crown with the specific images and that specific energy of the crown, that is the door to open that. Same way in the heart, same way in the sacred chakra. So mind drawing that attention to that chakra is connecting with that energy. Mind focusing on that specific image is trying to be conscious of specific awareness. And these things together, in the deep inside in the sleep, one is able to reach and connect with that quality which you might have lost, which you might disconnected with. You can connect and you will be able to bring it out. So that is the purpose and overall goal for these 4 practices.